Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make Jamaican oxtail and butter beans. So come on and let's do this. The meat was seasoned overnight. I will show you what was used to season it. You can use whatever you like to season your meat. Hot soya sauce on it. Teriyaki marinade and sauce, two maggi vegetable cubes, complete seasoning, my natural green season blends. You can check out my video. I did a video on how to make it, so you can check out that, guys. I will leave it in the description box below. 4 tablespoons of natural coconut oil. It's best to use coconut oil, guys. Let us try to go more on the natural side, you know. Now I'm going to add the oil to the pot and I'm going to let it preheat it before I add the meat. Black pepper is in this bottle. It was also used to season the meat. Now the meat will be added one piece at a time into the pot. So be careful, guys, because remember the oil is hot. So don't throw it down in the pot. Be gentle and place it in the pot. Onion powder was used to season the meat, garlic powder, oxtail seasoning, and spicy to the bone was used also. I will list the amount in the description box that I used to season it. After the meat finish adding to the pot, you're going to stir it and allow it to brown on a high flame for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. No browning was used to season the meat, so we have to do this step in order for it to have a nice brown color. And also when you do this way, it makes it taste better, I should say. Make sure that you have your hot water ready to throw on the meat, because remember, when you use a hot water, it allows it to cook faster than when you use a cold water. So now I'm going to add it on the meat just to cover it. Close the pressure cooker and let it pressure for about 25 to 30 minutes. But before you do that, ensure that you give it a good stir. After 25 minutes, I am going to test the meat to see if it's finished. If not, I will add some more hot water and cover it and let it pressure for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. These are the seasoning I will be using. I'll be using tomato, onion, thyme, carrots, bell peppers or sweet peppers, scallion, Irish potato, and garlic. I will list the amount that I use in the description box below. The meat is not tender, so some hot water will be added on the meat to let it pressure for about 10 more minutes, 10 to 15 more minutes. Rinse out your plate, guys, with some hot water so none of the season will be wasted. Then I'm going to cover it and let it pressure for 10 more minutes. This is a can of butter beans. The butter beans was added off camera. I did not add any salt to the meat, guys, because remember the seasoning, they have the pack season, they have salt already. So I'm going to give the meat an additional 5 more minutes to thicken the gravy a little bit more. Then I will put out the flame. Look at that, guys. It looks so juicy, it's so tender, and it's delicious. So please do give this recipe a try, and please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. And please do tell a friend, and let a friend tell a friend what's happening over here, and let them come over and subscribe and save subscribe. Thanks for watching.